Hello grade 7 American System, this is Mrs. Nancy. Today I'm going to start a new section in chapter 4, metals and alloys. The objectives of this section are: compare the properties of metals and alloys, describe how steels and other alloys are made and used. So please open your books, page 130. Comparing metals and alloy. An alloy is a mixture made of two or more elements that has the properties of metal. In every alloy, at least one of the elements is a metal. Properties of metals. As we studied before, metals are hard and shiny. You know this by just looking at it. Also, all metallic elements are solids except mercury. Metals can conduct electricity. Also, they are ductile, meaning they can be drawn out into thin wire. For example, copper made into wire carries electric current to the outlets in your home. Metals are also malleable, meaning they can be hammered into a sheet. For example, aluminum rolled flat makes aluminum foil. Properties of alloys. Alloys are used much more than pure metals because they are generally stronger and less likely to react with air or water. For example, iron is alloyed with one or more other elements to make steel. Why? Steel is used in many tools because of its superior strength and hardness. For example, forks and spoons made of stainless steel can be washed over and over again without rusting, because stainless steel is an alloy made of carbon, iron, nickel and chromium, does not react with air and water as iron does. Making and using alloys. Many alloys are made by melting metals and mixing them together in carefully measured amounts. For example, steel is an alloy of iron with other elements. It is used for its strength, hardness, and resistance to corrosion. For example, automobiles, suspension bridge, and surgical knives would not exist without steel. Not all steels are alike. Their properties depend on which elements are added to iron and in what amounts. For example, carbon steels are stronger and harder than wrought iron, which is almost pure iron. High carbon steels contain 0.6 to 1.5% carbon. Tools, knives are examples for high carbon steels, while low carbon steels with less than 0.2% carbon are ductile and malleable and are used for nails, cables, and chains. Other alloys. Bronze, brass, sterling silver, and cedar are just a few examples of other kinds of alloys. Alloys are used to make items ranging from plumbing materials and sprinkling systems to tableware and doorknobs.